Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video, I will tell you how to create a new folder in saved section of Instagram. So here you can see there are different folder like animation, Instagram tips, all post. Okay, so for this, just for example, if you are using Instagram and you are in explore section, and if you find any post interesting that you want to save it, for example this one, then just press and hold on this save icon. Then here you will get a list of folder that you have already created. So if you want to save in any of this, you can click on that. But if you want to create a new folder here, then click on plus. Okay, and you can write anything. For example, I will write love collection. I will click on done. So here you can see one more new folder is added, that is love collection. So in this way you can create a different folder as per a post category. So this will be easy for you to find if you are searching for any type of photo that you have already saved. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.